So we're here in Sketches School again. This time I'm gonna go through how to use the ruler tool. It's really cool. You can get different angles and all kinds of stuff. And like I said, if you make a mistake on something, the app will kind of correct you and set you on the right path. So you just want to pick different tools, experiment with these different things that's inside there, just so you'll know what's going on. So I'm looking down at the ruler tool. It's on the bottom left. We'll be drawing with my felt pen because that's what's selected. Once I select the ruler tool, you see it turns red. Change my tool. This is the pastel. Once the ruler tool pops up, it will allow you to make a straight line. You can use a two-finger grip on the screen to manipulate it, and it will allow you to go in and change the angle. Now, one thing I really like about this is that it'll actually give you the degree of the angle once you change it, so that you can get the exact angle on each line that you draw. To use the ruler tool and kind of show you how we can manipulate lines to create shapes, which are two-dimensional objects, and then to also make those shapes into forms, which are three-dimensional objects. What I want to do is start out with something simple like a rectangle or a square. Either one of those will work. And then I'll use horizontal and vertical lines to make that square or rectangle shape. My next move is going in like I am now, making those diagonal lines at similar angles, and then another vertical line that goes straight up and down to make the back of this box. So this is like a cube. Now, I'm using an eraser tool at this point because if you see my drawing, I have a lot of those extended lines coming off the corner of my cube. I want to clean those up. I want to make sure that I have my drawing looking as clean as possible so that it just presents a better object. Now, one thing I will tell you on the Sketches app is that you have the option to use your finger or a stylus. Just go on whatever works best for you. I used a stylus on this because I got like super fat fingers and it's hard for me to draw with them. But it all depends on what you want to do. Each one of these corners that we have here, I'm showing now, they're clean, clear. I made sure that I erased off the extended lines from those corners. Anytime you do this type of drawing, that's what we want to do.